Now you just need to create your pin. Go back to Pinterest, create pin.
So I'm going to fill in the Pinterest blanks because she just left y'all hanging. And before we get started, I'm Presh Rogers and I do Pinterest marketing for online businesses, probably like yours. So in that video, she quickly goes over basically how you can do a print-on-demand business with an Etsy store, and I guess how you can use Pinterest to market that business, but she didn't go into any type of detail. So if you watched it, you might be confused about how Pinterest even plays a role in that. So I'm going to break a few things down for you. So first things first, after you create your business account on Pinterest, you want to also set up your profile and make it optimized so that your products that you're going to be putting on Pinterest as pins actually can get found. If you don't know, Pinterest is a search engine, so you have to use keywords just like you would on Etsy for your. So just creating a pin of your design and slapping it on Pinterest won't do you very much justice, especially because you're going to be driving traffic to your Etsy site, which she did not mention. Pinterest does not prioritize websites that are not your own. So because Etsy is a third-party site and not your actual website, Pinterest might not push that content as much, but that doesn't mean you shouldn't use it. You just have to know how to use it correctly. So make sure you're creating pins of your products that are visually appealing, that stand out, and that make people want to click. And pin the piece of content with the product more than once. So to recap, here are 3 things I want you to do when you are creating a pin on Pinterest for your print-on-demand product. 1, you want to make sure that your pin title is optimized with keywords for Pinterest. 2, you want to make sure your description is also optimized with keywords. And 3, you want to pin that pin to an optimized board on your profile. So if you have any questions, leave them below and I'll be happy to help.